Many studies show the dangers of toxic cleaners. The current study found that occupation as a janitor cleaner was associated with 9 types of birth defects. These defects include oral clefts, NTDs, neural tube defects, esophageal atresia, and anorectal atresia. Cleaners had the highest risks of birth defects among their offspring. I can post the study in another video if you'd like. Just comment. Find this and many other scientific health studies on my Facebook page, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. One of the reasons why I don't use toxic cleaners, for my health and my family's, my clients' health, for my wallet and Mother Earth. Facebook.com/CRUNCHY